So the other day, I was petting my monkey.
And then, all of a sudden, a flying tomato came out of the window.
Took they whole summer in. They say I'm crazy when I'm about to go dumb again. They ain't see me cause I pulled up in my other bins. Last week I was in my other bins. On your diamond son, could we?
You look an iguana. I look like a Jew. Even my hair feels gross. All of a sudden, Buddha came and he's like, "What are you guys doing?" We're like, "We're just hanging out." And he's like, "Great, because Obama had something to tell you guys." And we're like, "What?" And he's like, "Well, you guys are the new presidents of the United States."
And then he was like, and then we were like, whoa, whoa, whoa. And then this guy came and he was like, "You got pranked."
We're getting ready for a party! Yay!
They like crickets to me.
Sending your girlfriends to the night. With horses' feet, and now you heard that waste on the ground.
Brain scheme to get rich from, and I don't know what he did for dough. He sent me back to school with a new wardrobe and hey.
Nicholas man with the milky. So nobody else even fucking feels me till it kills me. I swear to God I'll be the fucking illest in this music there is or there ever will be. Disagree, feel free, but from the
Your eyes on the side of your head.
Girl, just kissed her, did my cat daddy and I took her down. Temp